welcome to Ghana Grows Ejuma, the program that is dedicated at showcasing the diverse job opportunities within the agriculture and ATVET sectors. It is also aimed at inspiring young people to take advantage of job opportunities within this sector instead of focusing on elusive white-collar jobs. Now, Ghana Grows Ejuma is part of the Ghana Grows program, an initiative of MasterCard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. If you'd like to join this program, just dial *718 *50#. I'm your host, Araba Kumsin, and today we are in Kumasi to explore the innovative world of Dex Technology Limited, a pioneering company that is dedicated to making science accessible for young children in Ghana. Their science set is a game changer, and it is empowering young children to explore the wonders of science. Join me as we learn more about Dex Technology Limited.
Let's go produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it.
So we're here at Dex Technology Limited, creators of the science sets that many students use. We're here with Caleb Fuga. He's the strategy manager here, and he's here to tell us all about the science sets and the impact it's making. Hello and welcome to Ghana Grows Ejuma.
Thank you.
All right, so for those who don't know, explain to us what this science set is. What does it entail? What is it all about?
So just like a math set, the science set is designed to help encourage the implementation of practical science education at the basic level. Growing up, we've all complained that we lack practical science activities in our content. And so a new dawn occurred to us where we moved from one curriculum to the other. So we are currently running the standards-based curriculum, which encourages practical hands-on activities. But there's a challenge. The challenge is that even though we are treated to do practicals, the teachers go through a lot of challenges trying to find the right materials to implement these practical science activities.
Is that what inspired you to come up with this science set?
Absolutely. The inspiration started with a teacher in the classroom who was trying to solve a problem by making sure that the students have experience when it comes to learning science practically. And so this is where the inspiration really came from. Started from a teacher. And so beyond the board, what happens? And so we thought of it. Why is it that schools are not able to implement these things? One, because of the cost of science materials on the market. And so we thought of it, say, why don't we shrink a whole science lab into simple boxes and hand it over to students?
I mean, it's all great and smooth sailing, but have you had any challenges, especially early on as you started, developing this product?
We've had challenges both internally and externally, but the team is quite. It goes beyond. We see that this problem we have identified goes beyond ourselves.
What is the problem?
The problem that we are educating students to just graduate school and then have the book knowledge, but when it comes to execution of the knowledge that they've had, there's a lot of question marks around it. And so what we encounter is not greater than what we want to achieve. And so some of the challenges we have encountered is policy. For instance, there's a curriculum that's encouraging schools to, how do we call it, embark on practical science activities, but it is not a requirement.
It's not a requirement?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is only based on schools who understand the need for you to teach your students practically.
I see. You believe that it should be a requirement?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And so what we're actually working towards is that in the next round of BEC, we are encouraging that you don't only do theory, add practical requirements to it. So that the schools will now begin to see that we are placing enormous importance on theory just as we are placing on practical. And the science set helps you to be able to achieve that.
Let's talk about Dex Technology, the company itself. You did mention how many employees you had. How many employees do you have?
52 plus.
52 plus?
Yes.
And what various roles are they playing?
So we have from the sourcing of materials locally to bringing the materials to the office,